Top 5 Best Fishing Tackle Backpack. Number 5. Bassdash Fishing Tackle Backpack. If you're looking for a premium quality fishing tackle backpack with an affordable price tag, then the Bassdash Fishing Tackle Backpack is the perfect choice for you. The bag not only looks good on the outside but also offers plenty of space inside. The bag has 600D polyester construction that offers incredible durability even in the toughest environment. It has a dimension of 15.7 by 7.9 by 19.7 inches that can accommodate all the necessary tools in the bag. The top compartments are specifically designed to store personal items. On the other hand, the bottom compartments are designed to hold 3 large 3600 sizes. Each of these trays has 6 to 18 different compartments for holding your accessories in an organized way. The adjustable shoulder strap provides you enough comfort throughout your fishing expedition. Pro 600D grade polyester material. Breathable and rugged construction. Several storage compartments. Includes trays. Comes with a rain cover. Cons. Not waterproof. Coming in number 4. The XLarge Recon Rolling Fishing Backpack. The Recon Rolling Fishing Backpack is a high-quality fishing tackle backpack made in the USA. If you're looking for a waterproof bag that can carry all your fishing stuff, then this is the best fishing tackle bag for you. This bag is made from lightweight, breathable polyester. The bag and zip are corrosion resistant, which helps you to stay out all day. The dimension of the bag is pretty large with 19 by 16 by 10 inches. In the top compartment, it has a removable divider for the bigger tackle. The fast access trapdoor can fit up to 3,650 containers easily. Also, it comes with a rain cover to protect the backpack and your gear from rain and sea spray. Moreover, you won't have to dig around in the bag because of its quick access pockets and spacious practical size. Pro spacious. Fast access trapdoor. Lightweight. Saltwater corrosion resistant. Cons doesn't stay balanced. Coming in number 3. Wild River 3606 Multi-Tackle Large Backpack. This large tackle backpack is comfortable to wear, with adjustable mesh-covered shoulder straps, as well as an additional sternum strap for extra support. Featuring base pads to keep your bag dry and clean, this storage solution could be a good choice for an extended fishing trip or if you're a fly angler with a lot of tackle. There is plenty of room, with a large main storage compartment that has removable dividers to accommodate larger items or double-sided tackle trays. There is also tackle tray storage in the bottom compartment, which can hold up to 6 3600 style tackle trays. It also features an interior waterproof pocket, which is ideal for storing your phone or keeping your maps and fishing license dry. There are lots of exterior storage options, such as zippered packets for your smaller items and hooks and loops for your tools and extras, making everything easier to find. A handy feature of this bag is the front pouch folds down when open and can be used as a convenient work surface. Pros. Interior waterproof pocket. Lots of storage space. Converts to a work surface. Sternum strap. CONS. Exterior fabric not waterproof. Coming in number 2. Wild River by CLCWT 3605. If you're looking for an all-around fishing backpack, then this one could be a good option. Featuring padded mesh-covered adjustable straps, this large bag is designed for all-day comfort. It benefits from having a comfortable mesh back panel and also has lumbar panels for additional comfort while carrying the bag on your back. It has good storage capacity, with lots of storage compartments for both large and small items, including up to 4 tackle boxes and 2 utility boxes, so there's plenty of space for a full day of fishing. You'll also find easy access mesh pockets on the side. A cool feature of this bag is that it has a USB charging system that is ideal for charging your phone, fish finder, or any other small gadget you might have. Not only that, but it also features an LED light so you can easily find your specific tools in internal pockets even in low lights. It has plenty of hooks and loops to attach tools to the exterior, and it has a durable base that helps to keep the backpack clean and protected from wear and tear on the ground. However, the bag is not waterproof, but it does come with a water-resistant rain jacket that will cover the bag to give it rain protection. Pros. USB charging system for phone or small electronics. Protective rain cover. LED light system. Padded mesh back and adjustable straps. CONS. Zippers can be a little flimsy. Coming in number 1. Wild River by CLCWT 3604. This fishing tackle backpack is designed to carry all the gear you'll need on your trip, including your tackle boxes. It features a molded compartment on the top to keep your sunglasses safe and handy, as well as the additional feature of an integrated LED light system, so you can fish at any time of day. Unlike a traditional backpack, this spacious fishing backpack can store up to 4 tackle trays. You could possibly fit 5 tackle trays if they're smaller. It has plenty of exterior hooks and loops for you to store your tools, such as line cutters, with ample room for all your fishing tackle, including a removable plier holder that you can attach to your belt. Its good fishing tackle storage with double zippers on the side pockets can make this an ideal option for a multi-day fishing trip. While this Wild River Nomad backpack is not waterproof, it does come with a waterproof protective rain jacket that goes completely over the backpack to protect it. It also benefits from having base pads that are waterproof and will help to keep your pack clean on the ground. These rubber feet can make it useful for saltwater fishing, ice fishing, and kayak fishing, or any other fishing spots where you're likely to encounter wet surfaces. Another handy feature of this fishing backpack is that one of the front pouches opens up and the pocket folds down to become a small work surface. Other features include adjustable, padded straps and a padded top carrying handle, making it one of the best fishing backpacks out there in terms of features. Pros: molded sunglasses compartment, built-in LED light, waterproof rain cover included, converts to a work surface. CONS: not waterproof.